One is home decor. Home decor is something like this mirror, anything on wall, which is wall art, wall decor, clocks, even plants, which makes our indoor beautiful. They all come in home decor, right? We have 25,000 plus catalog in that actually, right? We are so deep in that category. Then the second category, second biggest is furnishing. Furnishing, you all understand the bed linen, the bath linen, the sofa throws, the cushion covers, right? So carpets, everything comes in furnishings. In furnishings, we have 20,000 plus catalog, right? So deep we have gone into these categories. The third one is kitchen and dining. Kitchen and dining with 10,000 plus catalog, right? Everything related to kitchen and dining, your stoveware, your barware, your cookware, your storage jars, your organizers in the kitchen, everything is available in complete home. Then the fourth category is lamps and lighting. So any light you see here in this show, they all are available. 10,000 plus options in the website. Right? So in those categories, what we observe that as we spoke about now, with the money coming in, it is becoming a category of indulgence, right? And we are ready to invest not just money but time also to shop for these categories, right? We are ready to work with our designers. We are ready to go walk into shops and speak to our home consultants for hours. That which kind of lighting will go, what kind of throws will go, what kind of cushion covers will go, right? So those kind of things are emerging. So in India, we love to call our family and home, family and friends home. हमें घर बुला के खातिरदारी करने में मजा आता है. अच्छा पहले मैंने देखा था ये कल्चर. I come from Delhi, so first I observed this is a North culture. But what I've seen in last 2, 3, 4 years, this culture is emerging in Mumbai as well. And I think this is a post-COVID phenomenon where we have started enjoying our home gatherings more than outings. So what we have observed that as you indulge in home categories, the first thing comes to your mind is upgrade your life living room. And the categories which see abound, you see here, is your cushion covers. We want our sofas to look beautiful, our carpets. Then we want to make our walls beautiful, right? So we go for wall decor, we go for wall clocks. Very smart, very functional. Sometimes very classical wall clocks, right? So a lot of differentiated, unique customer choices which we have observed there in those categories. And then we want to stop there. As we speak about cooling, in our bedrooms, in our washrooms, we also want to be like it. And we want to serve ourselves with a new linen, which is on our beds, which is in our bathroom. And that category saw a different kind of home this year. Then mattresses, why to leave behind mattresses, right? So we want a very cozy sleep as well, right? After all the hard day's work, right? So we are becoming more conscious in designing, in selecting our mattresses also. So a lot of time and effort is going. We have a lot of collection of mattresses in our